What is a C corporation? Let's just take this apart. There's two pieces here when you hear the term C corporation. One is actually the business organizational structure, which is a corporation. And the second part is what they call the C, which is actually the Internal Revenue Code, Subchapter C. So you put them together and you get the C corporation. Now, who are these for? C corporations are typically for startup companies. They're also for companies that are selling products, not services. Services are for Subchapter S, those are for other professionals. We're looking for long-term capital gains. We're looking for a big lift. We're not necessarily looking for income, but we're looking for good appreciation. You get such benefits as retained earnings. You can bulk up a number of your revenues without paying taxes. You have the 21% tax rate, which is much lower than the individual tax rate. You have deductible fringe benefits that you can get with the C corporation that you cannot get with the S. You also have what is called the Section 1202, which is something really attractive to startup entrepreneurs, where if you build a company and say, for instance, in 5 years from now, you go to sell the company, you have a liquidity event, that you can capture up to $10 million in tax-free upside. So that's really something that's attractive to a lot of entrepreneurs. Again, we're talking about selling products for the most part. So if you'd like to get the income tax benefits, or rather the Subchapter C income tax classification of a corporation without the corporation, without the Secretary of State filing and all the publicity that goes along with it, you can use a business trust. Business trusts are unlisted, they're private. If you do them right, you're going to get a tremendous amount of benefits for them. You can use them for private contracts. You can also use them to anonymize public records. But again, the point here is the C, the Subchapter C income tax classification using the business trust. We have an e-seminar for the business trust if you'd like to check that out. And to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel now. And if we can help you, just reach out. My name is James, and our website is trustart.com.